Hello everyone. In yesterday's lecture, we have studied what is database management system, and what are the different applications of database management system. Okay. In this lecture, we are going to see view, what is view of the data. Then we are going to see what is schema, and then we are going to see what is data modeling and types of data modeling. Okay. First of all, we are going to see what is view of the data. Okay? View of data. Basically, view of the data suppose or provides the abstract view of the database. Okay? Provides provides abstract view of data. Means what? View of the data. Suppose data abstraction. Okay? Suppose data abstraction. Then, what is data abstraction? The data abstraction is the process of hiding the data. Hiding the data. Hiding the data means what? Hiding the data means the extracting the important feature or important data from the database management system. Okay? Extracting the useful data. Extracting the useful data from the database system. Okay, that is called an abstraction. Means what? Ignoring irrelevant data from your database. Okay, this is nothing but data abstraction. Okay, data abstraction means what? Hiding the data or extracting the useful data from your database, or ignoring the irrelevant data from your database. Okay, this is nothing but data abstraction. Okay, view of the data. Suppose data abstraction. Okay, there are three levels of your data abstraction or view level. View. Okay, three levels. Three levels of your view of the data. Okay, firstly, physical level. Firstly, physical level. Okay, then second one, your logical level. Second one is your logical level. Then third one is view level. Okay, this is view level. Okay, view level. Your first is physical level, then logical, then view. View one, two, view, and this one is your physical level. Logical level. These are the your three levels. That is physical level. Second one is logical level. Then view level. In physical level, it describes how the data is stored. It describes how data is stored in database. Okay, this is your physical level. Then next one is logical level. This is the lowest level. Okay, this is lowest level. Lowest level. Okay. Then after physical level, there is a logical level. Next higher level. Okay, this is the next higher level. Next higher level. Next, higher level than physical level. Okay. Then your logical level describes the what data is stored. Okay. What data is stored in the database. Okay. In the database. Okay. This is nothing but logical level. Then view level. View level describes how user interact interacts with database. Okay. View level describe how your end user interact with your database. Okay. Or how your end user uses the data. Okay. These are the different levels. There are three levels: physical, logical, and view level. Okay. These are the three levels. These are the description of your three level. The physical level, the logical, the view level. Okay. These are the different levels of your view. Okay. Let us see the example. Okay. Example of your levels. Levels. Example. Okay. Let us consider employee database. Let us consider employee database of any organization. Okay. Then what will be physical level? Physical level. How data is stored means what? How data is stored in your physical medium. Okay, your physical medium or physical memory. The data may be stored in pen drive, or magnetic tape, or in hard disk drive. Okay, data may be stored in any medium of physical memory. Okay, then next level is logical level. Your logical level. How what data is stored? What are the data objects stored in your database and their relationship? Okay, their data objects and their relationship. Okay, this is the example of your logical level. How the data objects are stored in your database and how they related with the various data models. Okay, this is the logical level. Then your view level. Okay, view level means what? How user interact with your system. Okay, how interaction of user. Okay, means what? When anyone visits the site of your organization, it doesn't know that in which format the data is stored or what data is stored. Okay, it just visit the your graphical user interface. Okay, means what? The irrelevant data, that is how data is stored and what data is stored is different. Okay, irrelevant data is ignored. Then if in view level, user only visit the graphical user interface. Okay, means what? GUI is the view level of the organization of employee database. Okay, GUI, graphical user interface, is the view level. Okay. In this way, we have studied the view of the data. In the next point is schema. 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 What is schema? Schema is the overall design of your database. Okay. Okay. Schema, overall design of your database. Okay. Then what are the different types of your schema? Okay. What are the different types of schema? First one is physical schema. Physical schema. Then your logical schema. Then your view schema. Okay. We will study one by one the physical schema. The schema designed at physical level of the database. Okay. At the design at physical level. Okay. Design at physical level means in what type of physical memory the data is stored. Okay. That is physical schema. Then logical schema is design at logical level. Design at logical level. Okay. Means what type of data is stored. Means what? What are the various data objects and the relationship between these data objects. That is your logical schema. Then view schema. Design at view level. Design at view level. That is your view schema. Means what? How your end user interacts with the database. Okay. Okay. Your view level. Design at view level. That is your view schema. Okay. These are the types of your schema. Okay. In this lecture, we have studied what is your view, what are the types of your levels of your view, then what is schema and what are the types of schema. Okay. So we will stop here. In next lecture, we will see what is data modeling and various types of your data models. Okay. So stop here. Thank you.